So if you are trying to decide whether you should purchase this metal storage cabinet or not, let me show you some things about it to help you decide if you want to grab one. Let me just say the brand did send this to me to put together, to try out, to give my thoughts on. So let's get started. So let me show you everything that it comes with. The company did send me the white with like the green legs. As you can see, it comes with lots of adjustable shelves. Your side panels here, this is made out of a nice strong metal. And then you can see all the shelves are adjustable and these little slats here. Here is the green legs I was telling you about. Of course, all the tools you're gonna need to put it together. It looks like they even have like a screwdriver in there. That's really nice. You don't have to guess. Your instruction manual, another side panel. And something I really like is the door itself. It's got this tempered glass and I love this diamond shape. And then of course, one more panel. Let me show you how easy this is to put together. Okay, so I'm going to say this probably took me about an hour or so to put together. Now the feet on the bottom here are completely adjustable. So if you do have an unleveled area, you'll be able to adjust these so that the whole thing will sit level. Something else that's really nice is that you can actually have the door swinging from the left or from the right. And there you go. She's all put together. Now I decided to go ahead and put it in my bathroom instead of my laundry room. I just think the whole aesthetic look of this goes in my bathroom just perfectly. Let me show you. I am 5'7.5" You can see where it hits on me. So it is a really nice height and it does hold a ton. Not only does it have the area down here that I have this big jewelry box, the inside you can see is filled with toilet paper, makeup brushes, hand towels, big towels, perfume. And not only that, I have this top area that I can decorate. Plus the fact that it is rust resistant helps right here in the bathroom. So just overall, I think it's really good quality, very durable. It's going to last a long time and it'll work anywhere that you need some extra space. So if you are looking at this one, do not hesitate. I hope this video has helped.